Rich and gamble like a blackjack, rolling the dice. Hundreds in my bag, just to cover my vice. Niggas throwing shade, trying to block the daylight. Money don't make you real, that's on my life. Money don't make you real, that's on my life. Had to pop a pill, hop on the mic. Lot of shit that deal with, but we be alright. I'm a lion in the field, I ain't no mice. Lion in the field, I ain't no mice. Won't play with you in real life, niggas soft.
What's good, YouTube? It's your boy King Kilo back with another sneaker video. Today I got a new shoe for y'all. It's a cactus plant flea market Air Force Ones. But before we get off into the video, go ahead and do your boy a favor, subscribe to the channel, like this video, and drop some comments down below. But I ain't gonna keep y'all waiting. Let's go ahead and get off into the video. So, like I said in the intro, y'all, I got these cactus plant Air Force Ones. And we're gonna go ahead and take a dive into the box. Let's get it. So man, as you guys can see, you got the Nike in the like bubble font on the top of the box. Spin this thing around. You got the sizing, size 13, Nike Air Force One Low SP, and it reads black, black, white, size 13, 14.5. And then you got the yin yang symbol on this side. On the inside, you got the Air Force One, and you got the little Nike symbol right here. Nike, and then the yin yang. Boom. Let's open this bad boy up. So first glance, you got a Nike Air dust bag, as you guys can see right here. It reads Nike Air Force One, yin yang, Nike sign, just do it. I think this dust bag is dope though. It's pretty tough. Nothing on the back, but I think that's cool. Put that right here. Now you got the shoes. Ooh. These remind me of those up-tempos, man, that have the bubble font on it with the air. These say flea. And I believe these say air on the other side. As you guys can see right there. Air flea. So on the right foot, you got air. Dope. On the left foot, you got flea. I think that's hard. And then also too, on this shoe, these are like reflective. So if you were to take a picture, you would see like a reflective light around the lettering, which I think is pretty dope as well. But I'm gonna go ahead and put these shoes right here so we can get a better look at them. I think that's super hard. And it also comes with a pair of white laces, as you guys can see, and a pair of black laces, but these are like super thick. These are not like regular Air Force One laces. Like these are like thin laces, and then these are like super thick laces. So I might throw like one of these laces inside the shoes real quick. I might swap them out both for the white laces. I think that'll be kind of cool. All right, getting into the box a little bit. You see that quality control sticker right there, boom. And then you got the CPFM on the paper. As you guys can see all throughout the paper with the blue sky on it. And then you have another white paper underneath. So that's pretty much it with the box. Nothing too crazy. I'm gonna leave the laces in here. Close that up. Now let's double back to the shoes. Now, as you guys can see, you got the air right there. On the shoes, though, the quality is crazy. So you got leather all throughout the shoe. Everywhere. Even on the flea. Boom. And then on the insole, as you guys can see, or like the sock liner, it's like all leather. Let me let my camera focus a little bit. It's all leather, as you guys can see right there. And then on the insole, You see that L stands for left. Let me go ahead and take these insoles out for y'all real quick. You see the insoles, one says left, and then one says right, as you guys can see. And they're a little sticky on the bottom, as you guys can like hear as I like run my finger through the bottom of them. Size 13, my size, personal size. Air flea, as you guys can see, man. I think that's pretty dope. On the inside though, you got that like, this is like soft. Like, I don't even know. Soft padding. And then you got the blue stitching throughout the shoe, as you guys can see. Normally you would see like a bunch of glue stains and stuff like that, but this is like a softer like bottom. I don't know. So let's read that production date. That production date reads 10/18/23 to 12/7/23. So these been out for a little minute. Since last year, they've been cooking up. But yeah, you got that. You got these shoe inserts right here, basic shoe inserts with the Nike symbol on it, as you guys can see. Boom. But that's pretty much it about this shoe. It's just an Air Force One, bro. That's like all leather with that Air up tempo like bubble font, and as you guys can see, man, it's pretty dope, but it's super like basic. But I think CPFM, Cactus Plant, they be doing their things. They be having like crazy releases, crazy shoes that come out. And I think that, you know what I'm saying, like this is a great shoe. This was retailed for $150, and I did get these on the shock drop. But and then in total I think it was like $161. But nothing too crazy, man. So I'm gonna go ahead and try to throw these on feet so I can give you guys an idea of what the sizing feels like. It might just be like a regular Air Force One, but let me go ahead and get to the sizing for y'all. So I got these things on foot, man. And as y'all can see, we got the flea on one side and we got the Air on another. And I think that's a good touch. Like, I like how that looks. I like how it looks on feet because, you know what I'm saying, it's like, give it like a different look than just a regular basic black Air Force Ones. And two, I think if people were to see me, they wouldn't think I'm on like Demon Time or I'm a menace or whatever. If they saw me wearing some black Air Forces, you feel me? Especially with these letterings on the side. So to the sizing point, they fit just like regular Air Force Ones, man. My toe all the way to the top. They fit perfect. The leather, as you guys can see right there, is already creasing. I just put these things on. I didn't even walk around in them yet, but already creasing. So these things gonna crease up on you. But I feel like that'll give it a better look, in my opinion, the more you wear it. So sizing, true to size. I wouldn't go up or down in these. I would go strictly true to size. Air Force Ones are a staple shoe, so you may have had them at some point. I would just stick to what you're used to getting. But that's my opinion on the sizing tips. If you guys choose to go up or down, that's on you. But I would just recommend going true to size. So let's get into the official on feet.
Racing gamble like a blackjack, rolling the dice. 1’s in my bag, just to cover my vice. Niggas throwing shade, tryna block the daylight. Money don't make you real, that's all my life. Money don't make you real, that's all my life. Had to pop a pill, hop on the mic. Lot of shit they deal with, but we be alright. I'm a lion in the field, I ain't no mice. Won't play with you in real life, niggas softer than cotton. It don't matter if you photo, they gon' still count your pockets. I'ma keep on chasing these millions, niggas, they crack riding. Glasses from Louis Vuitton, they ain't come from Cavalli. I go Ricky, I go Balenci, used to rock those Zanatis. Be overseas, I'm in my D's, with baby massaging my body. It's the real blue Scotty when we smoke lottie-dottie. When gonna get high, he high like two Scotty Hottie. It's gonna be a bill for me to perform at your party. I can't do no deals at all, I don't wanna bargain. Risk and gamble like a blackjack, rolling the dice. Rolling 100's in my bag, just to cover my vice. Niggas throwing shade, tryna block the daylight. Money don't make you real, that's all my life. Money don't make you real, that's all my life. Had to pop a pill, hop on the mic. Lot of shit that deal with, but we be alright. I'm a lion in the field, I ain't no mice. Lion in the field, I ain't no mice. If I don't get no new deal, I find a plug to the socket. I know how to save, we used to be slaves and we can't pick no more cotton. I have my days, I get in my ways, but I don't fuck with nobody. Life is not a game, so what the fuck is so funny? My bitch Serena, she playin' with these racks, we fell in love with this money. When I'm in Paris, I'm with the designers, like they call me Giovanni. And then you niggas want it, man, just know that I'm ready. Nigga fuck me over, I know you gon' regret it. Ain't nobody gassing me, I know I'm unleaded. Wanna gon' stay focused every day on these addies. Risk and gamble like a blackjack, rolling the dice. 100's in my bag, just to cover my vice. Niggas throwing shade, tryna block the daylight. Money don't make you real, that's all my life. Money don't make you real, that's all my life. Had to pop a pill, hop on the mic. Lot of shit that deal with, but we be alright. I'm a lion in the field, I ain't no mice. I'm a lion in the field, I ain't no mice.